Hakasian ka baning kong ki khna school ki bapuli ha ki shlam bapher ha ka dong ber ka than pathar khma civil subdivision ribhoi district kila yo ban shim banta ha ka lumpung ile kai sports ka baratip pung ka first inter school athletics meet 8,000 arpun rio jagate ka lumpung ile kai sports la panlong da ka office u district sports officer ribhoi district ha ka jing snok tilang da ka office u SDO pathar khma civil subdivision ribhoi district bat jagate ka lumpung la panlong hamadan ile kai jong ka western ribhoi Jagate Kalampong la yopan please dang haka akun rio tarik leber da uchan tanya avasti ISSDO patar khma civil subdivision bala yopan penkut no mentagasni apuh nyau tarik leber da menteri ka sorkar jela ba sostina sotun ubadeiru UMLA ka jirang constituency. Lasa kilang da ka jingan dan lang uba Bobby L Nongbet district sports officer nongpo Dr. P Hajong BDO jirang block kinong hikai ki khna school lambat kinong trainer ka tanat sports. Kendiat haba pai syakate ka lumpung na kaliang ko office u district sports officer ila penong hadu sabu pratli ki jingya ko phaki kerdan bapher par hakani ka lumpung lawan bani shimbanta hadu lai spa ar phomut kinong ile kai kan thei bat shinrang na ki khatwei tli ki school na pathar khma civil subdivision haba khanya ka jingla akhur ki takma ha ka jingya ko bala penlong ha ki te ki arsi ka St Peter secondary school pathar khma kalalong kum kala du overall jong kate ka lumpung bat kala khurru hadu south li trophy na kate ka lumpung bat na kaliang ka office SDO kala samru yaki takma shamparo kinong job
Yes, Izra, I'm leading. Follow Papa Rahma. There we go. 300 meters on the 15th final. 300 meter race on the 15th final. Good. Saya betul-betul tinggi kebaik cat. Ya kalau kita sebagai partai hantu ya. Go. Request. Ini Lisa Mowbray of Warga Sensitive School with big number.
Her. Teh benar.
Witness such a wonderful sporting events, and today I could feel, I could see at the face of in many faces of the participants, all the sports person, with the enthusiastic support of different schools, supporting their own teams, supporting their own players. It really make us more to invite more and more programs or events like holding the inter-school athletic meet 2026 and then starting the next year 2027. Sports and activities go side by side with studies, and we have our teachers principals, headmistress, joining together with us all here, supporting their own teams, encouraging them. It is the sign to bring more and more participants or sports persons to come forward and participate in any of the events. Namta ki hep kibarit baro kane kane ki jing sedang nak kabanta jongpi bat ka jile kai sports lani pi engage ki no ki activities kanang la bat pen klan ya ka bor perkhat ka jongpi ya ka jebeng ka jongpi bat pinyo e ka met ka phat ka wasat baklan agenika juk ka bamenta ngilai bun ki players ki bawan na ki jaka ki bana kondong na ki snong ki bana kendong hendai ki pau ha ki rinsan la galong ha ka district level la galong ha ka state level but international level kumju namar P ki sports person way pa way lane ka way pa ka way pidon lala ka jong ka sap ka bau bleul IAP pidon kam hok egni ka sap ka bau bleul IAP khnang ba kane ka sap ka bau bleul IAP lengba ka jing trestom ka jing 3 minute ka jong phi pensanang la ban pentebet susu but
Betul, 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 betul,